Here's 5 expert tips to make your new eyewear stay looking great. Regular cleaning of your lenses and frames is an absolute must and helps to keep them constantly in their optimum state, which means that your vision is always clear while still looking great. Tip number 1 is to never use paper towels, tissues or clothing to clean your lenses, as these all have textured surfaces which can easily scratch your lenses. Always use a microfiber cloth which is specially designed to pick up and remove dirt and grease from your lenses. You'll find a brand new one in your spectacles case, and we always have some on hand in our practice if you need a replacement one. Tip number 2 is to clean your lenses with a lens cleaner specially designed for spectacles. Don't dry wipe, as debris or dust can scratch the lens if rubbed directly with a cloth, and certainly don't use bleach, vinegar, household cleaners, spit or any other chemical, as these can tear off special lens treatments. Simply spray a couple of times on the front and back of your lenses and use your microfiber cloth to dry off. You can also place your spectacles under a lukewarm running tap to rinse off larger amounts of grit, such as sand from being on the beach, before you use your cleaner. Tip number 3 is that the area of the frame which rests on your nose can absorb dirt, dust, makeup and other natural oils, especially if you have nose pads, so regular cleaning is essential. If you feel that your spectacles need a more dedicated clean, just pop them in and we can clean them for you. Tip number 4 is the put on, take off procedure. Yes, there is a right way to put your spectacles on and take them off, and all it requires is for you to use both hands. Only using the one hand can cause your frame to bend out of shape, which could result in them feeling less comfortable to wear, perhaps even looking wonky, but most importantly of all, could dramatically reduce your viewing experience. Also, don't place and rest your spectacles on the top of your head, as this can also stretch your frames. And tip number 5 is to always place your spectacles in their dedicated case to protect them when you're not wearing them. Never rest them down on a surface lens first, or place them unprotected in bags or pockets, as this can cause scratching. Also, never leave them on hot surfaces such as your car dashboard in hot weather, as this can cause the frame to bend or warp. And one final thing, come in and see us anytime for any questions you have or a spectacle health check. We'll give your spectacles a once over completely free of charge, which includes making sure that they still fit perfectly to your facial measurements and are really comfortable. From all of us, we hope you enjoy your new purchase.